Hello students, welcome to geography class. I am your geography teacher. Students, in last lecture we have learned that there are total 181 latitudes on the globe. 90 latitudes in northern hemisphere and 90 latitudes in southern hemisphere. Every latitude gets its identity with its angular distance that made with the center of the earth and in which hemisphere does it appear. Also in last lecture I gave you an activity of an orange. I hope you all have done this activity. Through this activity we will understand about longitudes. In figure 1.8, angle ABC, angle DEF and angle GHI have the same measure 50 degree. However, the distance between A and C, D and F and G and I are different when measured on the Earth's surface. That is because the Earth is spherical in shape. So students, as you can see here in figure 1.8, there are total 3 ellipses of 3 latitudes. Angle ABC is 50 degree, angle DEF is 50 degree and angle GHI is 50 degree. But the distance between A and C, distance between D and F and distance between G and I are different. The distance between D and F is greater than the distance between A and C and E and I. This is because the Earth's shape is spherical or circular. Use figure 1.9 to do the following. Let the line AM be 0 degree. Draw the line MB. Measure the angle it makes with line AM and write near B. Note the semicircle that passes through B and joins the north and south pole. Trace it. Now join MC. Measure angle AMC and write it next to C. Draw a semicircle that passes through C and join the north and south pole. So students, this is your homework. Try to solve this exercise. Thank you for watching this audio-visual presentation.